can't believe it's like January 4th and 50-something degrees. I don't never remember it being 50-something degrees on January 4th. It's always bleeding out here in January. But anyway, enjoy it. A 5% battery that quick. What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Righty Blue channel. This is V, your host. Today, rolling into the Bronx right quick. It's a lovely day out here. I got to roll into the Bronx, so I figured it's a nice day. Also a perfect day to jump on an e-bike. Check one of the peeps in the Bronx right quick. I'm also checking out the Insta360 X3. Still playing around with that. Bit of a learning curve, but I'm getting there. And, hoping to get some interesting footage at least. We hardly ever come this way in Mount Vernon, so gonna roll into the Bronx right quick. So far, the two things I don't like about this camera so far is I guess one is the lenses, the way the lenses are positioned. They're really exposed. So here you gotta be real careful with this camera. And the other thing is I can't go directly from the Insta360 with the footage into say Final Cut Pro. That's what I use, Final Cut Pro 10. I would first have to go into the 360 video app or editing app and then transform it in there. Then I could put it in whatever editing suite I choose. It's nice, to say the least. Dangerous on the bike out here in New York, boy. I was playing around with some footage on the 360 and I'm like, this camera is ill. It does something crazy, and when they say you don't have to frame your shot, they're not kidding. But one thing, normally, like riding right now, I'm riding into the sun, and when you're filming, that's a no-no. You should be filming opposite the sun. The camera should not be facing directly into the sun or whatever. So with the 360, I noticed if you're riding into the sun and the camera's facing the sun, you could face the shot away from the sun in post. That's crazy right there. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that is sick right there. Like you could film going into the sun, and then you could frame the shot, you know what I mean? In post-production, you could turn away from the sun and shit. We're in the Bronx under the L right now. I gotta get used to this camera because I wasn't recording just now. I ain't get that coming up under the L just now. That's a good thing about having two cameras, is like one should be always running. Okay. Right here, I'm just enjoying the day. I can't believe we got like almost 60-degree weather. It's gonna be actually 60 it's gonna actually be 60 tomorrow, I believe. Playing road in the rooftop. Whoopie down. Ooh, the X. I ain't been down on the 5th in a minute. Them to the last minute. Oh, makeup down here is different. This is my stomping grounds as a kid, y'all. I see you. I wouldn't hit you. Tested on the sidewalk. To the Bronx, like that. Then I should have shut down there. Oh shit! Man, these handlebars, I can't seem to get them tight. This driver right here is so responsive. Crazy. I gotta tighten these handlebars some more. My battery at 40%. battery done, but I'm back in the Ville, back in Mount Vernon.